Alright, so today's video, I'm just going to be showing you guys how to tear down one of these guys. Take that off, spin this off, get that off of there. We're going to take the carburetor out, clean it. If that doesn't work, well, we'll just replace it. You can use a power drill if you really want to. Just need to make sure you got long enough bit. Get that there. So then to get the carburetor off, you gotta remove a bunch of other stuff. You gotta get in here and pull all that out. Looks like somebody's already had this one off. Who knows, maybe it's been replaced. So the linkage here kind of blocks some of it. There's another screw down in here. This I think will just allow you to pull off the filter housing. So there's 3 screws here on this carburetor. When you move this back, you can kind of get to them. You can tell somebody's been in here before because the angle is bad, and that's what boogers up the screws. If you really want to do this fast, just get like a bit that's really long on a power drill. You'll be able to get it out of here fast. Problem with this thing here is that you know, getting this linkage and all this stuff out of here, it's just kind of a pain. It's sort of hard to remove this first. So you can pretty much finagle most of it without removing that. So because it helps to have needle nose pliers. Get that in there. And I can get that out. Okay. So you pull that out of there. It's a Walbro carburetor. Pay attention to, you know, the specifics as far as like where the lines are. And, you know, if it's an older deal, try and be careful because you're most likely going to break things. And you can go like this and try and pry your lines off carefully, especially if they're stuck. And that might help you from not damaging them. So this carburetor is possibly new. I got the saw from somebody that just couldn't keep it running. So anyway, I've got 2 of these saws. So that's a quick video on how to get that out of there. And it's a Walbro. It'll be similar for some of the other ones. So thanks for watching.